Imagine you're sitting in a cozy classroom, sunlight streaming through the windows, and all around you, the air is humming with the excitement of new ideas. You glance down at your notebook, filled with jumbled words and doodles that make sense only to you. But wait! What if I told you that there's a way to transform that chaos into clarity, a way to take notes that not only help you remember but also ignite your imagination? Picture this: you're in a lecture, and the teacher is sharing fascinating stories about the wonders of the universe. As they speak, your mind starts to drift. You want to capture those golden nuggets of wisdom, but your hand moves too slow. Days later, when you flip through your notes, the words seem like a foreign language. Frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a better way? Imagine a world where every note you take feels like a colorful treasure map, guiding you back to the heart of the lesson. You can see the connections, feel the emotions, and even hear the voice of the teacher whispering those important concepts. This world isn't just a dream, it's achievable with a few simple techniques that can transform your note-taking experience. Let's dive into this journey. The first step? The magic of active listening. Picture yourself in that classroom again, but this time you're not just hearing words, you're engaging with them. You lean forward, your excitement bubbling up, and your mind is like a sponge, soaking in every detail. Instead of just jotting down everything your teacher says, you start to filter. You ask yourself, what's the main idea here? What do I need to remember? As you listen, you begin to sketch out concepts, ideas, and thoughts, almost like a painter creating a masterpiece. Imagine drawing a big bubble in the center of your page. This is the main idea. Then, from that bubble, smaller bubbles branch out, each one representing supporting details or examples. Suddenly, your notes are alive. They breathe, they dance across the page, and they invite you to explore deeper. Now, let's talk about symbols and shorthand. Picture this: you're racing against time, and your teacher is sharing brilliant insights faster than a shooting star. Instead of writing out every word, you create a secret language just for you. You invent symbols that represent common words or concepts. A little heart for important, a star for key concept, or even a lightning bolt for aha moment. Your notes become a treasure chest of ideas, rich with meaning and easy to navigate. But wait, there's more. Imagine transforming your notes into a vibrant visual story. You're not just scribbling down information, you're crafting a tale. Use colors to highlight different themes. Perhaps blue for facts, red for emotions, and green for questions. Your brain loves color. It helps it remember and connect ideas. As you look down at your notes, they shine back at you like a rainbow of knowledge, each hue sparking your curiosity and igniting your creativity. Now, let's take a step into the realm of organization. Think of your notes like a well-tended garden. You don't just throw seeds everywhere and hope for the best. No, you plant them with intention. Create sections in your notebook for different subjects or topics. Use dividers or even colorful tabs to mark each area. When it's time to study, you'll know exactly where to find what you need. Everything is neatly arranged, waiting for you to explore. As you weave through your notes, let's not forget the power of summarization. Imagine you're a bard, telling tales of wisdom to future generations. After each lesson, take a moment to write a summary in your own words. This isn't just a chore, it's a chance for you to digest what you've learned and make it your own. By summarizing, you're reinforcing your understanding, transforming fleeting thoughts into solid knowledge that feels like home in your brain. Now, let's add a sprinkle of collaboration. Imagine a group of friends gathered around a table, excited to share what they've learned. You swap notes and ideas, each of you bringing your unique perspective to the table. One friend might have a clever way of explaining a complex concept, while another might have visual notes that are stunningly beautiful. Together, you create a rich tapestry of knowledge, where everyone's strengths shine through. This is the beauty of teamwork. And what about reviewing? Picture this: you're standing at the edge of a vast treasure chest filled with notes, and each time you review, you unlock a new gem of understanding. Set aside time each week to revisit your notes. As you do, you'll find connections you didn't see before, and ideas will come to life in new ways. It's like revisiting a favorite book. Each time, you discover something you missed, and the story becomes even richer. Now, let's look at technology. Imagine your notes flying off the page and into the digital realm. With apps and tools designed for note-taking, you can organize your thoughts with the swipe of a finger. You can record lectures, create mind maps, or even collaborate in real time with classmates from anywhere in the world. Your notes can now be as dynamic as your imagination. But remember, no matter how you choose to take your notes, the key is to make them personal. These are not just words on a page, they are reflections of your thoughts, your ideas, and your learning journey. So, let your personality shine. Add stickers, draw doodles, or write little reminders that make you smile. Your note should feel like a cozy nook where your thoughts can flourish. As we wrap up this adventure, think back to the classroom where it all began. You've transformed your approach to note-taking into a colorful journey, a treasure map guiding you through the vast landscape of knowledge. You've discovered the power of active listening, the magic of symbols, and the joy of summarizing. You've seen how collaboration can enrich your learning and how technology can enhance your experience. Now, it's your turn. Embrace these techniques and let your notes come alive. Remember, every page you fill is a step toward understanding the world around you. So grab your favorite notebook, gather your colorful pens, and start creating your masterpiece. And don't forget to share your journey with others. Leave a comment below telling us your favorite note-taking tip or subscribe for more adventures in learning. Your story is just beginning, and we can't wait to see where it takes you. Imagine flipping through your newly transformed notes, feeling a rush of excitement with every turn of the page. You notice your drawings and colorful highlights weaving a story that's uniquely yours. Each time you study, it's not just a chore, it's an exciting adventure where you rediscover the treasures hidden within your notes. Now, let's take a moment to explore the power of mnemonic devices. Picture this: you're trying to remember a list of important dates, and instead of rote memorization, you create a silly rhyme. In '76, the US got its fix. Suddenly, those dates aren't just numbers, they're part of a fun story that dances in your mind. Mnemonics make it easier to recall information, turning facts into lively characters in your learning saga. Don't forget the joy of reflection. After a week of classes, spend a cozy afternoon reviewing your notes with a warm cup of cocoa. As you look back, jot down what you've learned, what excited you, and what you want to explore further. This practice isn't just about retention, it's about nurturing your curiosity and setting new goals for your learning adventure. So, let your notebook be your sidekick, full of surprises and insights waiting to be uncovered. Each time you open it, you embark on a delightful journey of knowledge that's uniquely yours.